Welcome to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast, where we dive deep into the world of maintenance, exploring challenges, solutions, and innovations. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're tackling a critical issue that affects every maintenance manager out there: unplanned downtime. It's the hidden menace that can strike when least expected, throwing operations into chaos and impacting the bottom line. Today, we're fortunate to have Alex with us, a renowned expert in maintenance management and IoT technologies. Alex, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. It's great to be here to discuss such an important topic.
Let's dive right in. Alex, could you give us a brief overview of what unplanned downtime is and why it's such a big deal for maintenance managers?
Absolutely, Bruce. Unplanned downtime refers to those unexpected moments when operations come to a halt due to equipment failures, human errors, supply chain issues, or even power outages. It's a big deal because it directly impacts productivity, increases costs, and can significantly lower employee morale.
Those consequences sound severe. Can you share some common causes of unplanned downtime?
Sure. One of the most common causes is equipment failure, which can happen due to a variety of factors like aging machinery, improper use, or lack of regular maintenance. Human error is another big one, often due to insufficient training or supply chain disruptions, and power outages also play a significant role.
With those causes in mind, what are some effective solutions to mitigate unplanned downtime?
The key is being proactive rather than reactive. Implementing a preventive maintenance schedule is crucial for identifying potential issues before they cause downtime. Training and educating staff on proper equipment operation and maintenance can significantly reduce human error. Investing in modern technologies, like CMMS on devices, can help monitor equipment and predict failures. Lastly, strong supply chain management and having a healthy inventory of critical spare parts can prevent production halts.
Those solutions sound like they could make a significant impact. Can you share a real-world example where these strategies have been successfully implemented?
Certainly. Let's take a water treatment plant that experienced a critical pump failure, leading to operational halt. By introducing a preventive maintenance plan, they were able to replace worn-out components before failure, preventing downtime. Another example is a factory that faced significant downtime due to human error. After implementing a comprehensive training program for machine operators, they saw a drastic reduction in downtime incidents.
Those examples really highlight the importance of proactive maintenance management. Alex, if our listeners could take away one key piece of advice from today's discussion, what would it be?
My advice would be to not wait for downtime to occur. Be proactive in your maintenance strategies, invest in the right technologies, and always be prepared for the unexpected. It's not just about preventing downtime. It's about creating a more resilient, efficient, and productive operation.
That's fantastic advice, Alex. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today.
My pleasure, Bruce. Thanks for having me.
And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. We hope today's episode has given you valuable insights into managing and preventing unplanned downtime. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more discussions on maintenance management. Until next time, keep your operations running smoothly and efficiently.